I had this friend, Michael, and his dad's name's Bill Kitchen. He's like this inventor, had these businesses, and like I was like, wow, I want to be Bill Kitchen. He had a Porsche, they had a swimming pool in their house, but
That's a big deal.
It was a huge deal.
Colorado, nobody has swimming pools.
Like they took me on a trip to California with them. There's a famous story I tell about being in the Palms restaurant, and Vanna White was behind me, and she's like, "You're kind of funny," and I was like, "Yeah, I could do this," but I think where I started to realize like I'm not destined to be a loser, because I thought about that a lot as a kid. Like, I was like, everybody else is successful. I'm going to be a loser, and it is what it is.
Just give yourself more credit. You should give yourself more credit.
I should.
Yeah.
I think
you're so hard on yourself.
I am. But I think where some of that changed was the Kitchen family. They traveled a lot because they were very successful. Well, they needed somebody to watch their house. And Bill Kitchen had these amazing birds like hyacinth macaw and parrots and all kinds of funky stuff. Yeah. And he was
in
like...
Boulder, Colorado?
Yeah.
Oh, wow.
Like a whole humidified room. And I mean, the birds needed a tropical climate, right?
For sure.
And I was like 14 years old. I know shit about birds, right? And this guy trusted me enough. He's like, we're going to be gone for 4 days. I'm going to pay you $50. I can't remember what he paid me. Doesn't matter. He might as well have given me $10 million because it changed my life. I've never told anybody this story, but he would let me... No. It's good. He would let me watch their house, and he's like, go over there, spend at least an hour with the birds. He's like, I don't give a crap if the whole house burns down, whatever. He's like, you just don't let anything happen to those birds, right? Here's what he didn't know. Here's what they didn't know. I had a key to their house. I would literally like hold that key at night. Like I could not wait to wake up to the next morning to ride my stupid ass bike over to that house. And I still remember it, unlocking the door. I didn't have any parties there or anything, but I just remember sitting in that house and I was being like, this feels pretty good.
Yeah.
And just kind of pretending like I could have a house like this.
Yeah.
And I mean, I took care of those freaking birds. I was scared shitless of those birds, but like forget an hour. I was like, I got to spend 4 hours with the birds, because I was like, just being in that place, like they had a laser disc TV player and
oh wow,
like just sitting there and like being around that, I was like, I want this. But being there for days on end, I was like, I kind of felt more kind of like you in Singapore. Like I kind of felt like, okay, I'm not totally out of place here.
Yeah, I got this.
I got this.
And there's so much more out there.
So helpful for me. Like, and I think like...
You never told me that story. That's rare.
I don't tell
We've been together like 20 years.
Yeah, because some of that stuff's like stupid, but it's like that's where I think you get changed in your life, is those little moments.
Yeah.
Like, and that's where I get frustrated sometimes with like our kids, is like, don't be too cool for school. Like, because I was too cool. I wish if I could go back in time, I could say to Bill Kitchen, like, thank you so much for having faith in me. You know? Like it was so cool. Like, and I felt important for the first time in my life. I like felt important, It was a good time.